Hey guys, welcome back to Printer Tales. So, if you've ever tried setting up your printer at home, you know it can be a total headache, not done in the right way. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get your HP printer connected to your Wi-Fi and your iPhone. Super easy and stress-free. So let's get started. First things first, make sure your Wi-Fi router is on and your phone is connected to it. Alright, now go over to your printer and press the wireless button. Once you're on the wireless page, press the selection button to open the settings. Next, choose Wireless Setup Wizard. Now, just wait for a few seconds while your printer searches for all available wireless networks nearby. Once you see your network pop up on the screen, go ahead and select it. Alright, now type in your Wi-Fi password. After that, just press OK to select the entered password. Now sit back for a sec while your printer connects to the network. This usually doesn't take too long. Once it's connected, the printer will let you know. Just press OK to continue. Okay, now grab your iPhone and head to the App Store. Search for HP Smart and download the app. Once it's installed, open the app, you'll see the welcome page. Just read through it and tap on continue. Once it's downloaded, either sign into your HP account or create a new one if you don't have it already. If you need any help with downloading or setting up the HP Smart app, don't worry, I've linked separate videos in the description for your reference. Once you're signed in, you'll see the home screen. Tap on Add your first printer. On the next page, select New Printer. Now, your HP printer series will appear. Go ahead and select it. And just like that, your printer will show up at the top of your home screen. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.